Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how a 2 by 2 matrix is actually a transformation of the identity matrix. So for instance, we have this matrix called matrix A. The elements are 4, 1, -1 and 2. We will now draw the graph of this matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the x plane and this is the y. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we will examine our matrix. We have 4 numbers here. The first 2 numbers, the first column is actually one vector and the second column is another vector. We see 2 numbers for each vector. So the first number represents the x value and the second is the y value, x, y. So the first vector will be x4 and y is equal to, so this is x equal 4. The y value is 1. So we will get this point. This is the vector, and the second vector will be x negative 1, y 2. X negative 1 and y is equal to 2. The vector will look something like this. Now we drew our vector, our matrix. This is the graph. Now we will draw our identity matrix. Identity matrix looks like this, and if we draw that on the graph, this is the first vector, 1 and 0. So x is 1 and y is 0. This is the first vector. Now this identity matrix, as I said, is transformed into matrix A. So our first vector, which was 1 and 0, is now transformed into 4 and 1. If we look at that at the graph, this is our vector on the identity matrix. Now it's transformed into this longer vector on matrix A. As you can see, it's also elongated and also rotated a little to the left, like this. We have a little rotation and also the size is bigger. Now the second vector is -1 and 2. This, if we look at the identity matrix, the second vector is 0 and 1. 0 and y is 1. This vector is also elongated and rotated to the left. So this is actually transformation. As you can see, these 2 small vectors are transformed into these larger ones. This is how every 2 by 2 matrix is actually a transformation of the identity matrix. I hope you understood.